Some big breaking news coming in there. Comedian Bharti Singh has been arrested in a drug case by the NCB. NCB has said that Bharti and her husband have confessed to consumption of drugs. Drilling of both Bharti Singh and her husband is currently underway. Bharti will be kept at the NCB office in custody for the night. Cutting across to Pankaj Upadhyay, joining us live from Mumbai. Pankaj, Bharti Singh has been arrested, her husband as well. Both of them have reportedly admitted to the NCB that they have consumed ganja. Now, Bharti Singh will be kept under custody for tonight, and then further will be discussed tomorrow. What next for her? Can you take us through exact details on what have they really admitted to? Have they confessed to taking ganja or any other drugs that are also in question here? Bharti Singh and her husband, their house was raided earlier today and they were summoned for questioning. Hours of questioning later, announcement that she's been arrested.
Yes, Navila. So the details that have been shared by the officials of Narcotics Control Bureau say that Bharti Singh has been placed under arrest and the questioning of her husband Harsh is still continuing. 2, both of them have accepted that they consumed ganja. 3, that in the noon time today, their production house and their house was raided and around 86.5 grams of ganja was also recovered. Further questioning of the duo is still on. Tomorrow, Bharti Singh will be produced in the court, and thereafter, it depends whether she gets NCB custody or she gets a judicial custody. But what for now, the big news from the Narcotics Control Bureau headquarters remains that TV actor and comedian Bharti Singh, after 3 hours of intense questioning by Samir Wankhede, the zonal head of the NCB here, has now been placed under arrest. And this happened after the specific tip-off, as the NCB sources are saying, after which they raided around 3 places in the western suburbs of Mumbai. And after that, again, after the questioning of some of the drug peddlers who have now been placed under arrest, the production house and the house of Bharti Singh, the TV actor and comedian, was searched, and 86.5 grams of ganja was recovered. After that, the duo was summoned and was asked to be present here at the Narcotics Control Bureau headquarters. Zonal Director Samir Wankhede was himself present. It was at around 2:45 that Bharti Singh and her husband arrived here. They were interrogated, and just a few moments back, the NCB officials made it clear that Bharti Singh has now been placed under arrest. For now, we have not been given specific details as such as to what else has the NCB succeeded in getting the information about the drug dealings. But we've still been told that it looks in all likelihood that the husband Harsh too might be put under arrest in some time, though his questioning is still going on at the NCB headquarters.
Right, this is some big news coming in, Pankaj Upadhyay. It's certainly a big piece of information that will really shake the film industry there. Bharti Singh says, reports suggest by the NCB there that she's admitted to consuming ganja. What about drugs in question? Any hard drugs that are in question here that she has admitted to consuming? And considering that this is ganja, what is the real punishment that she will have to go through? And what was the amount of ganja that was actually seized from her residence? Would you know details on that?
Well, the details that have been shared by the Narcotics Control Bureau for now is that from her production house and the searches that were conducted at her house, the NCB recovered around 86.5 grams of ganja. Anything more than that has not been let out for now by the NCB officials. Whether they have succeeded in getting to know as to where she procured these drugs from, whether there are any other drugs involved, whether there was more recovery, what all has been seized, has there been any recovery of the gadgets from her place, that has not been officially put on record by the NCB official. So perhaps once Samir Wankhede, the zonal director himself, come down and apprises us, perhaps then we would be in a better position to inform the viewers as to what has been the details of the recovery. But the official order that has been shared right now says that 86.5 grams of ganja was recovered after the searches at her production house and a house, and that most importantly that the duo have accepted to the consumption of the ganja, and 3, that it was after a specific tip-off that the Narcotics Control Bureau